is Devyani Gupta and my teammates' name is Digant Gupta and Dipali Agarwal. As part of our Deep Learning 7643 final project, we have created an image caption generator, and to provide a utility on the output of image caption generator, we have created this search utility. This code walks you through on the search utility that we have created. The captions.csv is the output that we have generated from our image captioning algorithms. After running the captions.csv, we see that this particular CSV has this particular format. It has an image column which has the images and the captions generated corresponding to it. In order to create a search utility on top of it, we have loaded the captions.csv in a MongoDB database where we could see that we get each document with an image field and a caption field. In order to enable searching on it, we have created a Lucene search index on top of the captions field. This particular index creates a TF-ID score for every searchable text that we have in the captions field of the captions collection, and that enables our fuzzy search capability on the captions CSV that we have generated from the image caption generator. Let's see a simple demo of this search utility. As you could see, on running, I get a simple box which asks me for the search term. If I search for dog, a single term, it gives me all the captions which has a dog, and we could see the related images from it also has a dog. This shows that our image caption generator has identified successfully dogs in a particular image. Now let's search a sentence. As you could see, once I ran man running in it, my search capability gave all the images where a man is running. That's it. That's a simple search utility created by my team. Thank you so much.